Hello everyone! Good afternoon! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Today guys, I'm gonna share one of my natural remedy every time I have cough. Do you remember last time I took the videos about the onion? Onion also is one of my natural remedy every time my children have cough. Now, I'm gonna share one of natural remedy also for cough, because not all of us like the smell of an onion. So I'm gonna share one of the natural remedy that I am doing also every time I have cough and every time my family do have cough. And this is an orange. What we're gonna do is, guys, orange, you have to wash it thoroughly, okay? Wash it properly. Then after you wash it, you have to soak it in water with salt for 20 minutes. Look. Salt with water, water with salt for 20 minutes. Soak it. So I already soaked it with 20 minutes. After you soak it with 20 minutes, you have to cut it. Look, like this, right? After you cut it, you have to poke it with chopstick or any pointed thing that you can use, knife or. Then after you poke it, you have to pinch of salt. There, salt. Okay. So then you have to must put it inside the salt. Okay, a pinch of salt inside. Then cover it. So after you put the salt inside the orange, you have to put it in a clean bowl, and then we have to steam it for 20 minutes. Okay, we steam it. Okay, we steam it for 20 minutes. While we are waiting for the 20 minutes, I'm gonna tell you why is it orange if you have cough. Because taking one orange nearly meet 100% recommended daily take of vitamin C. We need vitamin C for our health. Our body need vitamin C to fight infection, and then to have this is also vitamin C good for our teeth and bone. Why we need to steam the orange with salt? You know what is the reason why steam? Because if we steam it with salt, all the parts of the orange that has forgotten, all the nutritious part that has forgotten will all boil down. When you eat an orange, when you peel it off, inside got the white thread. Then we don't want to eat it, right? We just throw it away. But actually, that white thread of an orange is very nutritious because is a source of fiber and vitamin C. So if we steam it, all that one, the white threads, the one with all the nutritious from there will all boil down, then we could drink it. Oh guys, it's already boiled. Look at, there's a water there. Cannot see well, but there's a water already. Okay, it's already done. Then what gonna do is, the next thing to do is, look, there's a water from an orange. We have to drink it. Look, have water. The water is came from an orange, so we have to drink it also. It's a bit bitter. Then after you drink all the water from an orange, you have to peel it all, and then you have to eat it all. If you don't want take any medicine, if you have cough, you can try this natural method. Because me, I don't like to drink medicine if I have a cough. But of course, if I have a fever with cough, I need to go to clinic already. But if I don't have a fever, because I don't want to take antibiotics, which is not good if you're always taking antibiotics. I always use the natural method. So if you don't want to drink, if you have a mild cough, you can try this natural method, because I always did this and it's really effective for me. So that's for all this day. Here I go again. I'm Daisy, and I believe in saying prevention is better than cure. Bye guys! See you on my next video.